Hi, everybody. My name is Noel Stroud. I'm a teacher at Memorial Pathway Academy, and I'll be showing you Magic School AI. I forget the name of the presentation, so forgive me. But I know it's something corny. I love it. So, first, if you notice in the Omnibox, basically they changed their Omnibox title to be MagicSchool.ai, not .com, not .net, .ai. It brings you to this screen where it gives you a whole bunch of partners and signing up for free and learning more. I've already created an account, so I'm just going to click login and I'm going to log in automatically. So when it brings you over here, it'll bring you to a lot of different AI tools. A lot of these tools are very focused on content and courses and games. Like here's a Jeopardy review game, a choice board based off universal design learning, project based learning, vocabulary list. There's math storyboard problems, text summarizer, IEP generator, unpacking standards, real world connections. A lot. There's a lot of things that you can cover in this app. It's going to take a long time for you to go through it, but I mean, it's worth it. So, one of my favorite things here is the lesson planner one. So, if I click lesson plan, it asks for a grade level. I'll click eighth grade, and ask for a topic or standard. So I'll go to the Teach website. Let's go to Teach. Let's go to math, middle school. And let's just pick a random one. Do. Balance a checker. Ooh, oh, oh, not so random one. So I'm going to copy this and put it here. And here's the additional criteria. So what do you really want them to do? Do you want them to do a project or whether they did last lesson? Um, if there's some sort of theme that you're going for, you can put that there. And here you do teaks. And let's see what it generates. So as you see, it has the two teaks right here that's covering. It'll give you an opening, so an engagement piece, introduction to materials, guided practice, what to do for your guided practice, what to do for independent work, and how to close or cleave the lesson or do your DOL activity. And for extension, you can give this for extension and homework if you want to give homework. You have actions here. You can have it translate. You can have it questions, which is all not for free people like me. You can make it longer or shorter. You gotta summarize or make bullet points. I'm more of a bullet point person, but I'm also not gonna pay for this yet. Have it add differentiation. Have it rewrite it. Make questions. Use resources. Add custom prompts. Things like that. You can also have it speak to you, and there's some other ideas here that you can use, but also not for free people. You can also use it for where is it? Team builder. So if you want to have some team building activities in your classroom, you can have it make some team building activities in person. You can have it no materials or have materials. How many participants? You have eight. Let's say four, because you're gonna do. You have a class of 32, so eight groups of four. Or you can do it for your you can do it for your students or for your teachers, whichever one you want. Um, a get to know you game for students that is active movement. I know that makes sense, but AI can understand me. Fun fact scavenger hunt or a word chain game. So they can play these two games. That's what it came up with. And once again, stuff for people that want to pay for it. Also, up here at the top, you'll see Magic School. It'll change. Click it. It'll change Magic Student. So this is what the students will see if you have them go on here as well. But I don't get into that. So if you are struggling to create multiple math word problems for your students, you can come here and create math word problems for them. So like volume of a cone, and the story topic is Beyonce concert, and it'll create three questions based off of that, and you can differentiate. You can also go to another website. I'll show you later about how to do it there as well. Now, if you click love, you'll see different things that people love about it, about MagicSchool AI. You can see it all on X or Twitter or whatever you want to call it, and how they use it. Training brings you to a whole bunch of courses, so you can join the free Facebook group. Facebook groups are amazing because they have so many great ideas and they're so creative. Community resources, Google Drive. You can go here. There's PD slides and trainings. If you want to train yourself, new Magic School community resources, logos, and one-page printables. So if you click on that, how can you help reading teachers? This is for science teachers, special education teachers, social studies teachers, math teachers. So if I click math teachers, it'll give you a bunch of resources that will be great for math teachers. And what else can you, or what can you use it for each section? So we go back to the slides. So you have one for students, you have training, intermediate, special education, admin. So if you want to talk to your administrator about it, maybe purchasing it for the school so you can get those advanced functions. Social studies, science, reading, math, electives. Everyone can use MagicSchool AI. That's the best part about it. Let's click out of it. You also have YouTube videos that you can go to. So if you click YouTube, it'll go to their YouTube page. And they have a ton of videos that you can watch as well. And they're all pretty short for the most part. Some of them are a little bit longer, but that's fine. That means they're trying to go in more in depth. But you can stick to the shorter ones to get the gist of how to use MagicSchool AI. And there's a lot of videos. You can also do the certification courses if you want to do that. You have an AI Pioneer and Professional Development Pack. So with the Professional Development Pack, if you order this, so you can give a training to your staff, you can also get some Magic School swag sent to the school for you, so you can give it out to people so that they get those sweatshirts and things like that. I actually don't know what's in the swag bag, but it looks pretty cool. At the top, we have resources, so you can look at the magic tools, the cases you can use it in. Like they really want you to understand that this is for everybody and everyone in the school. A blog, PD research, which is here, and Magic Students, which will teach them how to use AI responsibly with your guidance. If I click share the Magic School intro, will just give you this introduction video. If I want to upgrade, so right now I'm on the free version. There's Magic School Plus, which is $833 a month, which turns out to $100 yearly, or special pricing if you want to do it for a school or district. This is what comes with all of it. So free, you have access to basically everything here, but save output is limited. Exclusive early access is no. These things are locked integrations, customizations, supports. It's only Facebook, and it's FERPA compliant. It gives you wide magical AI and frequently asked questions. You can ask the questions here. It's great. It's amazing. Now down here it has my little panda, and you can add a Google Chrome extension. When I click that, it'll give me a video of what the Chrome extension does. You can also read it and see how great it is down here. I've already added it. But basically, you can open it up anywhere instead of having to go to the actual website, and you can copy and paste whatever you open up, wherever you open it up. Great tool. You can have it take a tour. I'm not going to click that because it forces you to do the whole thing, and I kind of don't want to do that right now. And profile settings. You can change your profile settings. So here it asks me to select what grade levels and what subjects. I'm an LPAC teacher, so I basically chose everything. And then going back to Magic Tools. Raina. Raina is a chat box that's kind of like an instructional coach. Where you can ask a question. You can ask her questions of basically trying to like bounce ideas off of her to try and get an idea of how you want to teach a lesson. So let's say you don't really know what you want to do. Do you want to do a word problem? Do you want to do a game, a scavenger hunt? What do you want to do? You can bounce off of her, and she can help you with coming up with ideas of what you can do for your students. And output history, it just basically tells me what I already did, so I don't have to like save the page or anything. I just click here and it'll pull up what I did, the last couple few that I did. Now, if I buy the plus version, I'll get all of the things that I've done previously. I can also like preview to see what it is, so I don't have to like actually open up a new page. And yeah, so Magic Tools AI is such a great tool. It's so amazing. You can do here planning, content. Oh, rubric generator. Rubric generator is my favorite. Oh, I almost forgot this one. So let's say you have them doing a project based off of my students are doing projects building a tower out of spaghetti, tape, and marshmallows. Spaghetti tower. Most marshmallows. The students will be given 20 sticks of spaghetti, 10 tiny marshmallows. I can just not spell that right, huh? And 1 foot of tape. They will need to create the largest tower that can hold a large jumbo marshmallow. And then you give it a point scale. Let's do it at a 5. And let's generate. So use high instability. It'll give me different aspects that they'll give to me. Innovative design, use materials, teamwork and collaboration, ability to hold jump marshmallow. And you see, it even gave it 30 seconds. I didn't say 30 seconds, but it gave it 30 seconds. That's what's so great about AI. I can also edit the prompt if it didn't do what I wanted it to do. But if it did it great, I'll just copy and paste this or save it. There's a copy button here, and there's a save button here. Another one that I really like is I haven't actually tried this one, but it sounds great. Rounding. If students are having trouble with rounding, there you go. Or integers, you can do integers or proportions, any of that. If you want them to make questions for you, you can have them make questions. If you want exemplars and non-exemplars, which is a great metacognitive tool, you can have them do that, multiple explanations. If your students are not understanding one explanation, they can't read another one. Assignment scaffolder, so you can take your assignment and you can scaffold it. Student support, sentence starters for your ESL and your students with IEP could use sentence starters. Actually, everyone can use the sentence starters. SEL lesson plan. If you want to do more SEL stuff, you can do that. You can scaffold text. You can do accommodation suggestions, communication. So here you can have them. You can help with communicating to parents or teachers or making a letter of recommendation, anything like that. And community tools, which is self-explanatory for the most part. Let's just say there's a lot of good things when it comes to MagicSchool AI. I love this tool a lot. I want to use it more. I want more people to use it so I can see it in action more because it is hilarious, amazing. Oh, teacher jokes. Um, a panda and a unicycle. Why did the panda bring a unicycle to the bamboo forest? Because he wanted to show off his very impressive balancing skills. Okay. Sorry, I didn't see that one before. As I said, there's a lot of stuff here, so there's a lot of stuff that I don't use it for. I have never seen before because I just use it for other things. And so here's how to use MagicSchool AI tools. A tool of how to use MagicSchool AI for your students. So how to use AI for your students. That is using it in a responsible manner instead of replacing what you're already doing. So if I say I want to do it over four or volume of three-dimensional oops, figures. I'm trying to do a lot of math, but I just know math. So you utilize math reviews to generate review questions, blah, blah, blah. Encourages the user to use step-by-step tool to guide the step-by-step directions of how to calculate. Step-by-step is amazing. Conceptual understanding, which are great tools that you can use for your students. It's all here. Where is it? StudyBot, step by step. So you can ask them to do step by step for solving volume of three-dimensional figures. Now you see it's making it step by step for each one. If I was more specific, it'd probably only do one. So if it's a cube, it'd probably only do one. But it's telling them exactly how to do it. And if you see this little button, PT, woo! So I use ChatGPT also for my classroom or when I'm helping out teachers, so that you can basically use it. MagicSchool AI is great, but since I don't want to pay for it, I use ChatGPT for other stuff that I don't want to pay for. So MagicSchool AI is great if you have something specific you want. ChatGPT, so like I've used it for my ESL students on like creating scripts so they can use it to talk to each other based off of some different thing, or have them create a game, or have it help me create a game or a situation or a lesson plan. Honestly, so like if I wanted to do Mad Libs and I wanted to be over a specific topic, I can say, "Hey, I want to do Mad Libs. Mad Libs over for middle school students." I just say please and thank you to AI just in case. Please create four different Mad Libs for middle school students based off of topics that they might find interesting. Now I've never tried to be this general before, so let's see how it goes. So you see, it created four different Mad Libs, which is awesome, and it's kind of differentiated for the most part. So if you're doing a lesson on parts of speech, this would be great for you to use. You already did your parts of speech, and now you have to create a Mad Lib based off of that. Um, you can also say, please create a script. Let's do three scripts. Three scripts for middle school ESL students with beginner English language acquisition. Forgot to see that is over that has the theme of customer service. Let's see if I'm gonna have to change that. So here, customer, excuse me, can I like some ice cream, please? Sure. What flavor would you like? And you see, these are not long at all. And if I want to change it to intermediate level students, oops, I'm going to copy this. I'm going to change it to intermediate. Or I can just ask for three scripts, and I will just do it for all domains. It's just ask for all domains. Oh, let's see if that will work actually. All language proficiency levels. Oh, English language acquisition. So beginner at a grocery store. So this is what the beginner is. Intermediates. It's going a little slow here. And then advanced level. So you see it differentiates for you. So if you have beginner level students in your room, you can do that. Intermediate level students and advanced level students. Now you can also do this in MagicSchool AI if you pay for it, but like I said many times before, not going to do that yet. Even though it's a great tool that I would love to pay for at some point. You can also ask them to do it in Spanish or another language. Just depends on whatever you want. Let's see what else have I done it for. I've asked it for a lesson plan for a week, and then asked it to create a script. I've also asked it for bingo for teachers. I've asked for math activities that we can do. So multiplication bingo, multiplication math facts for how to do two-digit activities, two-digit multiplication. I have no idea what this one is. I've also asked it to create stories for me. So I create a new chat. I'll ask it to create a story. Please create a story. Like I said, I say please and thank you for beginner level English language acquisition students. Doesn't make sense, but whatever. With the theme of being a good person and helping others. And it'll create a story based off of whatever you said. And then after that, I'll ask it to make questions for me. And if the story is too long, you can just say, hey, can you make it shorter? And it'll make it shorter for you. It'll summarize it for you. You can give it a word count, whatever you want. And then the last one is Diffit, but I'm not going to show it. I'm just going to go to the website. But Diffit is another website that you can use for AI. I log in. I guess I asked it over. Oh, no, that's not me. Okay. Let's start new. Oh, no. I need to invite friends. So here you can choose whatever topic you want. So let's say proportions. Let's do integers. Integers are more of a sixth grade thing. And language, you can choose a different language you want, whatever language you want it in, or you can upload. You can paste the URL or upload whatever text you want. Let's create it. La 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 la. I forgot I was recording. And boom, it now created an image. That's new. So you can choose whatever image you want. It'll give you a reading passage, a summary, keywords and vocabulary and definitions, multiple choice questions, so short answer questions and open ended questions. Now, if you also pay for it, you can get it to change all of these questions and stuff into a Google form automatically for you. So you don't have to copy and paste things. You also can get it in slides, a printable doc. Ooh. For summarizing a bubble map, all those things, creative vocabulary practice, strategies, reading strategies, writing strategies, text analysis, collaboration, critical thinking. You have a lot of different things you can do. It's amazing. Here's a Google Form quiz. If you want to make a Google Forms quiz, it's free this month. Oh my gosh, yay! Oh, come on, please. Let's open it. And boom, here it is. So here's the adaptive reading passage, the summary, the keywords, the multiple choice questions, the short answers, and the long open-ended questions. See, there you go. Just changed everything into a Google form for you that you can send to the students and automatically, boom, give it to yourself. You can also have it translated, and there is a way to change the lexile level if I can remember how. So resources, here are the resources. All right, this is what I've done before. The many things I've done before. And you can learn more. You can learn more about it. And this is basically where you start. And so that is my shebang thing. If you have any questions, ask. Bye.